What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, Lambros Steve, and today it's a family vlog. I'm in the Urus. I'm here at the Tulsa International Airport. We're at the top of the parking garage. Maybe see some planes flying in over here. Anyway, there's the airport. There's the airport. So this is a family vlog because today a very special thing's happening. Our son Ethan, who's a stud, by the way, is in the Navy, has been stationed in Japan almost 2 years, and tonight he lands. Interesting thing is, my wife is in Dallas. Emma has a talent expo and modeling thing. So Sally's flying in from Dallas and Ethan's flying in from Japan, and they're landing like maybe 10 minutes apart, 5 minutes, I don't know, maybe at the same time. And they're gonna be on the same terminal. So I'm trying to get Sally to just come on out of security, that area, and so I can get the reunion of mom and son on camera. But I'm afraid they're gonna see each other when they each get out of their gates, and I'll miss some of it, but try to get what I can so we can document this for, you know, family to see. So thanks for watching. There's the Urus. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's Sally's flight. It says it's landing at 10:40, and that's Ethan's flight. Oh, what does it update to? It says 10:24. So it looks like he is gonna get here 16 minutes before her. So maybe he'll beat her out and we can get the whole reunion on camera. Okay, people, here's the update. Ethan just landed at, what does it say here? Can't see, 10:23. It says just landed, and Sally is, I think, 15 minutes behind that. So I guess Ethan will be able to come out, and then we'll be able to get Sally coming out. We'll see. Okay, I think that's him. He's got a bright, maybe that's not. I can't tell. Somebody with a hoodie on. That guy's too tall. No, this guy's too tall. Dang, we just snuck in.
He attacked me.
He must have been waiting for you.
No, he
at the
went
gate.
to the bathroom and then I went walking off and he just ran.
You guys pretty much landed successfully. I was watching the planes come in.
We're lucky to be here. I guess Southwest canceled over 150 some flights today.
Wow. What up, bro?
What's up?
How are you, buddy? You saw your phone off. I tried to call you. No, wait for your mom at the gate.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Oh.
What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to SteveCurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.